August 1939, Nazi-Soviet Pact. In October of 1938, Germany demanded the return of Danzig from Poland. It had contained 90% Germans. Great Britain and France realized that appeasement had failed and declared their intent to support Poland if it were invaded. Both Germany and the Soviet Union wanted Poland, or parts of Poland, to regain lost territories from World War I. Germany also wanted the land for Lebensraum, or living space, for the German people. Germany entered into a secret agreement with the Soviet Union to divide up Poland and not attack one another. Despite their misgivings and inability to get along, Germany and Russia were able to get along enough to divide up Poland, whether they wanted to or not. This was called the Nazi-Soviet Non-Aggression Pact. Now the question is, why might this be good for Germany? Let's take a look at these two political cartoons. Wonder how long the honeymoon will last? And over here we can see little Goldilocks Riding Hood. I wouldn't want to come home to find Nazi Germany and Soviet Russia in my bed. Anyway, taking a look at both of these cartoons and thinking about it, why might this be good for Germany? Germany doesn't have to face the large Soviet Red Army. And if they decide to take lands in the West, or continue to take lands in the East, they don't have to worry about waging a possible two-front war. All of this basically leaves Poland like this sandwich that might be stuck in the middle of your backpack. At one point, it was fluffy and full, but the weight of the books coming in from both sides flattened the sandwich down until it kind of crumbled apart.
The secret word is Dunkirk.
On September 1st, 1939, Germany attacks Poland. Germany used a new technique of warfare called blitzkrieg. This attack was fast-moving and quickly designed to break the enemy lines. First, heavy bombing raids were conducted to try to gain air cover and control of the skies. Paratroopers were dropped in, as well as some forces, to break communication lines, munition lines, railroads, and air force. Then, tanks and ground forces would follow in a massive land invasion. Germany alone sent in 2 million soldiers. In the east, the Red Army also came in to take their portion of Poland, and Polish forces found themselves pressured in and soon swallowed up. Poland held out for 1 month, but couldn't deal with both armies. Now, blitzkrieg was quite successful, and it became known as lightning warfare because of its speed and early successes. It's going to be a tactic that's used as Germany turns its eye west. So how and will Great Britain and France follow their promise to help Poland?